couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. I had to make a couple bands by my lonely. Fuck nigga, I don't wanna be your homie.
Alright guys, welcome to my first video. Actually this is going to be an unboxing video of one of my car parts. Got it right here. My name is Aristo Aguilar. People know me as Venom Rolla, Evaristo, or
Venom Roller.
So basically this is my first video. I want to get used to talking to the camera, having something to say, not just being quiet. Obviously I'm going to be displaying my videos on the side. You guys can follow my photography page. I'll have the link right here. I'll have the link to my Instagram too. To all my sponsors too, Elusive Coatings, Diamond Cut Decals. Big shout out to Mod Auto Design. They're cooking up some headlights for me. Everybody, the Elite Rollas fam. Can't wait to meet up with you guys again. It's been too long. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be doing some cool stuff to the car. But our first unboxing is gonna be my front bumper. I bought it off of eBay. My first time buying a bumper off of eBay. It's color matched and everything, ready to go on the car. As you guys know, my car was in an accident last year, July or June, I forget, one of those two. Front end collision, that's why the front end's black, and then I decided to throw the hood. I had one of my buddies off Instagram. His name is Tony. His Instagram is Vesiful. I'll put that in the link too. He did my hood, all spray paint, no wrap. I wanted something raw. So I did that, and then I had teeth made. It's a big vinyl decal type sticker that Eminence Wrap Shop had made for me. Shout out to them. I'll have a link for them too. And yeah, I just want to see where this, where this goes. Without further ado. So this is the whole package right here. And this is why I say that I'm kind of iffy. See how it is, because it's obviously all folded from eBay. But yeah, let's get this thing open. Looks like it's covered in some sort of powder, probably so that it doesn't get all scratched. But I mean, probably gonna have to keep it in the sun or outside or something so that it can straighten back out. And then we'll get it cleaned up, and then we'll see how straight it is and how good the paint is, and go from there. So here's the progress on the bumper. I had it out here, just to let it stretch itself back out, form back to what it should be. Unfortunately, I did find some stuff that kind of bugged me a little bit, but they're all the way in the corner, so I'm not really tripping. as bad, but there's that, and then there's these little stretch marks right here. But I'm still gonna rock it. I don't really, it's not a big deal to me. The car's gonna get painted soon anyways. We bought this cheap so that it could all go together, but you know, I'm probably gonna have to put it on the car itself to get this to straighten back out with a little bit of heat, you know, a little heat gun or something. It's looking good. Like I said, this side's got the little stretch marks right there. It's got the little stress crack. But other than that, everything looks fine. It just needs some time. Because I don't want to force it, because then I'm going to start making more stretch marks and all that. But it's looking good. Paint looks pretty decent for what it is. This is what I used to, this is actually going to go on the car too. But this is what I used to just like set it, just to give it a little bit of pressure. So, we just put on the front bumper. Like I said, bought off of eBay. Paid 170 bucks. Already came painted. And it's looking good. Getting closer. This front lip, just realized this front lip's already cracked. So I'm probably gonna end up getting a new one of these and then have that paint matched. But yeah, slowly coming back. Slowly but surely, for sure. Stay humble.